Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel AAA Random Vlogs. Our channel is full of random personal vlogs and tutorials about home-based jobs and how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online. So today I'm going to discuss some of my farming tricks. Farming trick for Clipclaps. Alright, so the app that I'm talking about here that can help us farm in Clipclaps is no other than this one, Click Assistant. Alright, so you just need to go to the Play Store, to your Play Store, and search for the Click Assistant application. You will be able to see it first right away. I've downloaded it already, so it shows open. That's why it shows open. So you just need to download it and open it. So in my case, just like what I said earlier, I already downloaded it and been using this for Clipclaps. You need to go to settings, accessibility, and Click Assistant. You need to turn that on. This service needs to monitor your operations, perform gestures. Please turn on the service with caution as it may cause the system to hang. Just click OK. Okay. Disable assistive ball first. Okay, so you need to click the Start Service. Watch the ad. Close it and then click Start Service. After that, you need to go to your Clipclaps application, open it, and then click this one. Hold on. X. It's gone. Click Assistant again, Start Service, and then go back to Clipclaps. There. Click on Play button, and it will just drag or scroll down the page. Then while it's scrolling down, your timer for your chests is loading. And see, it is collecting chests by itself. So that's what I'm using. Actually, that's what I keep on using every single day for me to be able to get a lot of chests here in Clipclaps. Very easy farming trick. See that? 2. Then. So this is very nice, especially for those people who are busy. If you're busy doing something else, then might as well use Click Assistant so that it will help you farm and get a lot of chests when you are using Clipclaps. The more chests, the more chances of winning the raffles, and of course more chances of getting lots of clap coins, which is of course will be equivalent to cash if you exchange it to cash. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. So basically I've been using this for quite a while now. If I'm doing something else, then I'm just gonna turn this on and it will do the trick. There, I already have 3 rewards chests, so I'm gonna pause that and just click X if I don't need it anymore. So I'm gonna go back and use the here rewards. I'm clicking on the rewards chest already. Click open there, clap coins and raffle ticket pieces, raffle ticket pieces there. So these are the chests that we were able to get using the click assistant farming trick there. So as you can see, I have 4.80 US dollars already. And of course I've shown in my first video for Clipclaps, I've shown you how I play the coin cat and the aquarium so that you will be able to get more clap coins from these games. There, so that you will be able to buy cats. Boost. So for those who haven't watched the first part of my Clipclaps vlog, make sure to watch it. I'll just paste the link in the comment section so that you will be able to understand this part 2 of the video. This is the Clipclaps aquarium, and I'm just gonna feed the fishes that I have. So as you can see, the total value of my fishes, even though I only have 4 fishes in my aquarium, it is already 18,226 clap coins. And for those who doesn't know yet, these clap coins can be exchanged to cash. You just need to go here, click the clap coins, and then cash exchange. But of course, I only have 883 clap coins. That's equivalent to 0.44 pesos. So nothing to be exchanged. You can withdraw now 4.80 US dollars. I won't withdraw yet because I'm waiting for my cash balance to be $10 or more. So just tune in to my channel, because when I reach $10 or more already, I will create, or I will make a new vlog and will show you how I cash out. I was already able to cash out the total of $10.10 before. That's May 30, 2020, and I haven't withdrawn another one yet. I'm waiting for my cash balance to be $10 or more so that I can withdraw another one. Alright, so that's all for my vlog today. Oh, hold on, I have one spin. There. 1,000 clap coins is equivalent to 0.01 US dollars, by the way, guys. So that's it for my vlog today. Please tune in. For those who haven't subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell as well. Thank you so much, and keep safe, AAAers. Have a great day.